Hello friends, welcome to this video session. I'm going to discuss about the cloud technology, its benefits, when we are moving to a digital transformation, digital supply chain, why company must look at it and adopt to this particular cloud technology. That's the objective of this particular video. So let's look at it in the next phase. The cloud technology is increasingly accepted by almost all businesses, not just only into manufacturing, but as you know, your email, your debit credit card transactions, banking, insurance, almost everybody has accepted cloud as a technology. In earlier years, every company was having and maintaining their own desktops and laptops and all. So maintaining, upgrading the hardware, the software, the networking was a big challenge. Now all those functions are being taken care by cloud technology. And this is where all companies are comfortable. They can focus more onto the software technology part of it, and then that technology they can help in integrating it by connecting again customer to supplier, which are becoming more and more complex because of the various new business challenges which are coming up and all that. So let's look at it, why the cloud base is basically getting accepted and what business benefits it can derive to your organization. The first and most important thing, it gives you improved data visibility. As I mentioned earlier, that earlier legacy systems were silo-based. There were different systems like inventory, quality, production, distribution, accounting. They were into a different silos, different solutions were there. And integrating those details or those data to other solution was a big challenge. Now, when we are moving to a cloud, all this data is going at one single location, at one single storage, and then that data sharing is available to all the various business processes. So instead of having that data at a different location, it's now at one location and it is available to all the stakeholders, and that gives a better visibility. And that better visibility leads to better decisions leads to fast processes that reduces lead time, and then finally customer gets the product in time in a short duration, and that improves your inventory rollovers, and that leads to your profitability. So this whole thing is becoming a seamless data integrations and all that, and that drives the whole thing. So all businesses are moving to the cloud. Some have already started moving, some have already done it, some are already in the process. Some of them have done it partially and then they are trying to integrate. As digital supply chains are increasing, the extending to the many more stakeholders, it's becoming more important to adopt to the cloud. As I mentioned earlier, also this builds up some better collaboration of the various, not only the stakeholders, but various devices are also coming up. Like the most important thing is mobile. Now everybody is having a smartphone, and smartphone have got good capabilities of connecting through the internet, to the cloud and getting the desired data or sharing the desired data, or cloud is also giving some alert messages so that the necessary corrective action can be taken. And this brings the better coordination between the various business processes, and that collaboration leads to improving the performance, productivity, and profitability. The third thing is that different business have got a different needs actually. As I was discussing earlier, it's more onto the application part of it, like the inventory, planning, distribution, logistics, accounting, HR. These are the various applications. But besides this application, data messaging, data storage, various office tools like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, which bring the improvement into the productivities and all. These are also the various tools which are also now available from the cloud. And these tools directly, indirectly help in maintaining the data and sharing the data also. The fourth one is fast adoption. Earlier, some of you may be knowing, if you are going to have a new solution, somebody has to come, somebody has to install, somebody has to configure, somebody has to train the people, which are the quite time consuming. The lead time was quite high. Now with the cloud, all those things have been done immediately. These things are available at software as a service, and you can start trying it as and when you have a time and test the new innovations which are coming up. So now the developers are developing those new innovative solutions. They are uploading it, and those can be accessed not only from one city, one state, or one nation, but across the countries. This is available, and you can use it, suggest it, and then that can bring the better, faster adoption of this new solution, new application, new technology. And finally, that helps you for your business growth because it improves your efficiency. Cloud is there for, I think, more than 15 years, and a lot of companies have already achieved the benefits. So everybody is now moving towards that, and that brings more tangible and intangible benefits also. When I say intangible, the people in this pandemic situation, many of them are working from home, and those operations bring them the intangible benefits to the users also. That they did not have to go to office and log in and start using the software or application. They can work it from the home also. And that gives them an intangible benefit because it's a more comfort for them not to travel and all. So there are a lot of those benefits are coming up from adopting to the cloud technologies. I thought I gave you a brief overview, brief idea about cloud and its benefit and why you should look at it in adoption of the cloud. If you have any doubts, queries, you need more inputs, feel free to contact us. Our contact details are over here. Share this information with your team members so a common vision, common plan can be developed. Do subscribe the channel so you will have more such videos coming up in a duration, and which will definitely help you to improve and get more benefits. Thank you. Bye.